by telling us a little bit about yourself and your background and your career journey?
So I've lived a very international life. I was born in Australia. My father got a job in the United Nations, so I went to the International School of Geneva, and that really was very formative in being in a school with 65 nationalities represented, and just all of this meld of just this seeing and acknowledging that we have so much diversity around us, and that was an incredible education. So after studying physics in university in England, came back to Australia and worked first in computing, then in international equity sales, and I said, "Oh, it's time to move on." I flew to Tokyo, sort of on spec, and said, "All right, what's gonna become of what am I going to make of this?" And ended up becoming a financial journalist, so bringing my love of communication to this idea of finance, and ended up getting a series of promotion and ran the capital markets group globally out of London. So it was only after that that I said, okay, that's enough of working for corporations and doing my own thing, and came back to base myself in Australia, but work globally to build my career in, I suppose, where I saw value being created. And a lot of that was in this, ultimately, how it is that we think effectively about the future as individuals, as organizations. How do we get some sense of what might come to pass and what we can do now to be able to shape that? So through that career, being able to write books, communicate, travel, sort of working in well over 30 countries around the world to help organizations and leaders think about the future. So it's been quite a lot of variety along the way.